Hey guys, it's Nick. I created a brand new course on Udemy as an introductory to Copilot for Microsoft 365 that I wanted to share with you here today. There's a link to my landing page where you can sign up for the course and learn more about the content that I present. But at a high level here, I wanted to create an introduction to some of the foundational elements such as large language models, generative AI, and how that's incorporated into Copilot. But additionally, I wanted to go through some of the basic administration, licensing considerations, and actually have a whole section dedicated to data security and compliance because I feel so strongly about that topic. Outside of the basics and kind of showcasing how Copilot interacts with all of your Office applications, I wanted to use the time as well to cut through the marketing fluff from Microsoft to answer some of the harder questions you might have today as well, such as, is my business ready for AI? If I incorporate Copilot into an organization, is my data at risk? And as an MSP, what questions should I begin to ask now to get my customers ready as part of an overall AI readiness assessment? So definitely check out the course. If you're already a pro or premium subscriber to my content, this course is actually included as part of that subscription. But that's all I had for you guys today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys next week.